Do you remember one of the golden rules our mothers used to always teach us when we were small? Remember, dear old mom would always say, never put off to tomorrow what can be done today. So, in today's edition at Health Insurance Simplified, we're going to deal with the question of procrastination when it comes to your health insurance and your Medicare insurance because that little object behind me clues you in as to what time of year it is. It is December 28th, 2025. Everybody is thinking, oh my gosh, Ron, why didn't you reach out to us earlier? Now, as we deal with the fact that, yes, we procrastinated once again, let's take a step back regarding open enrollment and their deadlines. Now, you've heard me say on this channel many times in the past that there are two open enrollments. Both occur in the fall, which does make them prone for confusion. The first open enrollment is Medicare, known as AEP or Annual Election Period. For those on Medicare, that one opens up first from October the 15th, and it runs all the way through to December 7th. So I've got to break some bad news to you. If you're watching this channel faithfully, and I hope you are, and you're age 65 and above, and you haven't done anything with your Medicare yet for 2025, it's a little too late. It closed out on December 7th, but we'll get back to that in a moment. Now, if you're under the age of 65 and the open enrollment you needed is what we call the healthcare marketplace open enrollment, better known as Obamacare open enrollment, that one started November the 1st and runs all the way into the new year of January, all the way through to January 15th. If you don't mind that your health insurance will start on February 1st. So there is a little glimmer of hope if you're under the age of 65 and you needed to renew your Obamacare plan. Make sure you reach out to us on that one. Now, those are the two open enrollments. What can you do, for instance, if you procrastinated, made mom a little upset because you didn't act, and now you're stuck with your Medicare and you never made the change? Well, all is not lost, right? There is another period that runs from January 1st through to March 30th every single year if you're on Medicare. That time period is known, well, by a couple of things. First, it's known as the general enrollment period if you need to pick up your Medicare Part B, as in Bravo. But January 1st to March 30th is also known as Medicare Advantage open enrollment period. And you're like, oh my gosh, Ron, I thought you said there was only one open enrollment for Medicare. Well, true. This open enrollment that runs from January 1st to March 30th is considerably more specific and more nuanced as to what can be done and who can do something through it. The Medicare Advantage open enrollment period, which is what we're talking about now, January 1st to March 30th, you have to be someone already enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan. Now, whether you picked it up during this past open enrollment for Medicare, or maybe you've been on it a couple years and all of a sudden you want to make a change, but the new year has hit. Yes, if you are enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan, you can reach out and make a change. Now, there is another difference. The fall annual election period for Medicare, you can actually make as many Medicare plan changes as you wish, and it's the very last one that gets submitted that will take effect on January 1st. However, if you miss that annual election period, you can only make one change. And as soon as you make that one change during January 1st to March 30th, the open enrollment is closed to you, and that will be the plan that takes effect. So, all hope is not lost. Reach out to us at the Integrity Agency. We'll be more than glad to help you with your Medicare. Now, what about the Obamacare healthcare marketplace? There's still time. Fortunately, the original deadline for Obamacare open enrollment did get extended all the way through to midnight on January 15th of every year. Again, that plan will automatically start on February 1st. So all is not lost. Reach out to us here at the Integrity Agency. We'll be more than glad to help you with no matter what it is you need help with. Reach out to us. Let us bring some calm, steady, simplified answers. And who knows, maybe it's not too late to make your mom happy. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode. And remember, please click the subscribe button wherever it appears on your screen. Please look down below for other videos we've done. Hey, get the word out, because we think there are many people like yourself who are looking for simplified answers to complex health enrollment questions. That's what we're all about. So thank you for tuning in today. Be well, stay active. See you next time. Bye-bye.